Hi everyone. So today we're unboxing this foam book. A B C foam book. A B C. So A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for ink. J is for jeep. Letter K, key. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for notebook. O is for orange. P is for pear. P is for pear. Q is for question. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella begins with letter U. V is for vegetables. W is for watch, and X is for xylophone. Y is for yellow. Z is for zebra. So this is letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and letter Z. English letter. Foam book. A, B, C. This one also is alphabet. A, B, C. Alphabet. So A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for car. D is for duck. And then E is for egg. F is for flower. G is for gift. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for jeep. K is for key. This is letter K for key. Letter K for key. L is for lion. N is for nurse. M is for milk. O is for orange. P is for panda. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for star. T is for tomato. It's a tomato. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for yellow, and Z is for zebra. This is alphabet book. Alphabet book. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye. Goodbye.